Hello everybody, off to the butcher's today. Get a few bits from the butcher. I seen a sign outside the other day. Some cheap stuff in the butcher, if they've still got it. So we're going to have a look in there. I've just done a video with all that oyster and stuff I bought the other day. I'm not going to have time to upload it. So what I'm going to do, get in front, a couple of days in front. Then I can start uploading them from Monday. Tried doing the video, but then it's the editing, the upload, and then the download to YouTube and all that. So upload and download, it takes time. So we won't be able to get it up early enough. So I'm going to start it from Monday. I've already started it, but it's going to be done. You'll see it from Monday anyway, if you're interested in that sort of stuff. Anyway, off to the butcher's. Oh, at the butcher's now. I'll show you the sign. Looks quite nice. Let me show you. Four caramelised onion burgers, 4 lamp mint burgers, 4 gold warding sausages, a tenner. Yummy. Oh yes. Let's go in and get something then. Here they are, look. Lamb mint grills, caramelised onion, cracked black pepper, 4 of each I reckon, don't we? This is Evans, so we're going to get some. Yeah, Evans guys, I come here before with the pies, the award-winning pies, and it was absolutely delicious, honestly. So, you know. So you got 8 burgers and 4 sausages for a tenner. It's not bad from the butcher's, isn't it? And it's all just freshly made, he says. Bang on. So, let's go home and cook it. Right guys, we're back now. So we've got some caramelised onion burgers. There. We've got some minted lamb, which we're not having them today, so I'll put them to the side. And we've got some award-winning sausages, which we're not having them today either. We're only concentrating on the caramelised onion today. These ones can go back in the fridge. And we're going to open them up. Going to try our thing out. And we'll have a look. So £1 a burger. Now I don't think that's bad value at all from the butcher. There they are. Say there's 4 of them. And smell, oh, the smell of onions in them, it smells delicious. Ooh, hoo hoo. There we go, there's them then. Right, I'm also going to do a few fries, chips with it. So I'm going to stick them in the air fryer first. Right, my air fryer's warmed up for me burgers, guys. I've got my other air fryer on for my fries. And we're going to get these burgers in. They do smell absolutely delicious. I don't expect these to take very long, to be honest with you. Nice little sizzle there. I mean, how much normal burgers up the shop are now quite expensive, ain't they, to be honest with you? So for £1 a piece, move them across a bit, there we go. Right, I'll keep an eye on them and we'll see how long they take. Right guys, burgers got about a minute left, the chips are done. So I'm having a bit of mayonnaise on the bottom of mine. Get a little spread out. Some lettuce on the bottom. I'm recording, ain't I? Oh yeah, I am recording. Lettuce from that. I'm having a bit of burger sauce. I've got this from Aldi. On the top. Oh yes. And we will get the burgers out. They smell absolutely delicious. Honestly, they really do. The smells. Yeah. Up to Daisy. And one for me. Oh, leave them other two there for a minute. A little bit of cheese on top. Get that cheese melted a little bit. Now, are you having sauce on your sweetheart or not? Are you going to put? You're going to do your own?
Yeah, I'll do my own.
Then I'm going to have a couple of onions, a couple of red onion. I'll have to have some small ones. And some tomatoes. And there we go. Caramelised onion burger. Oh yes, doesn't that look nice? Well, let's plate them up and get the fries out. So, what do you think? It smells delicious. It really does. You smell caramelised onions, Bab? Can't you smell them?
No.
Can't smell them? I can. Really bad.
I think my hay fever's playing me up.
Oh, your hay fever?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to have a crack and dig straight in. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is delicious. Wow. Wow. And it hasn't even shrunk either. It stayed the same size. Oh my God, that's amazing. Try it if you don't want the cob, sweetheart, and then just try it without the cob.
That's fine.
That is delicious. And the juice. Took about 8 minutes in the air fryer, that.
That's nice.
It's nice, isn't it?
That's really nice.
It's really nice, yeah. It's really nice. Worth £1 a burger.
Yeah.
100%, isn't it?
That's really nice.
That's really, really nice. And the chips are just Aldi frozen things. Which are like a bit of mayo on my chips. Do you like that burger?
I do like it, it's nice.
Yeah. Well done, Evans. I'll drop me finger. There we go. And that burger sauce is lovely from Aldi, isn't it? It's like McDonald's burger sauce, isn't it?
I was just going to say that. It tastes like McDonald's burger sauce.
It was in a special boy thing when I got it. I don't know if they still do it.
I'm a bit funny with sauce, but that's nice. I like that burger.
Well, guys.
I do like that.
Yeah, I might go and get some more of them, put them in the freezer.
Yeah.
They're delicious.
Oh,
Yeah, so just a quick one that then. If you live in Litchfield or check your local butchers, they might have some great deals on like that. I'm going to do the minted lamb ones tomorrow. I might do them in a wrap or something. I might do them not in a bun, because we had a bun today. I might do them in something else tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see how I do it. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see what I do. I'll do something with them. Yeah, that's right. I'm the old food guy. That's 100% a 10 for me for that burger. What about you, Bab? A 10 for you as well. So if I say check your local butchers, they might have a good deal on. Means it's barbecue time coming. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye. Delicious.